Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Plus 1 Statistics, Chapter 5, Measures of Central Tendency. How are you children? I hope all of you are safe and fine there at home. In the last class, we have learned about arithmetic mean and its different formulas. Today, we will study how to calculate arithmetic mean by using step deviation method and weighted arithmetic mean.
Step deviation method. In this case, the deviations are divided by the common factor c, which simplifies the calculation. Here we estimate d dash is equal to d by c. D dash is equal to d divided by c. That means x minus a divided by c. In order to reduce the size of numerical figures for easier calculation. Then get fd dash and sigma fd dash. The formula for arithmetic mean using the step deviation method is given as x bar is equal to a plus, a means assumed mean, plus sigma fd dash divided by sigma f into c. C is the class interval. Okay. So how do we calculate the arithmetic mean of marks given below by the step deviation method? So this step deviation method can be illustrated with the help of this example. Here the marks are 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20. So what is the class interval? Class interval is 4. Then number of students, that is the frequency, F, 4, 8, 2, 1 and 5. First we have to draw a table like this and mark all the given data. So marks here 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20. Then number of students, that is F, frequency, 4, 8, 2, 1 and 5. For getting sigma f, we have to add all these frequencies. So together we get 20. Then we have to mark the midpoints, or we have to write the midpoints. 0 to 4 midpoint is 2. 4 to 8 midpoint is 6. 8 to 12 midpoint is 10. 12 to 16 midpoint is 14. 16 to 20 midpoint is 18. So we have to write all the midpoints of all these class intervals. Then assume any of these midpoints as assumed mean. So here we have to mark 10 is assumed as assumed mean. Okay, 10 is equal to A. So for getting D, we have to subtract these midpoints from this assumed mean. M minus A is equal to D. Here M is equal to 10. So first we have to subtract 2 from 10. We get negative 8. Don't forget to put the signs. Okay. Here minus 8. Then here 6 minus 10 is equal to minus 4. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. That is positive 4. Then 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So we have write all these values, that is D. Then we have to find out the class interval. Which is the class interval? 4. So C is equal to 4. Then D dash, we have to find out D dash by dividing D by C. So here D is equal to, first D is equal to minus 8. So minus 8 divided by C. C is 4. So minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2. Then minus 4 divided by C, that is minus 4 divided by 4, we get minus 1. Then 0 by 4, 0. 4 by 4, 1. 8 by 4, 2. Then FD dash. Next one, FD dash. So we have to multiply F with this D dash. Okay. So 4 multiplied with minus 2, we get minus 8. Then 8 multiplied with minus 1, we get minus 8. Then 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So these are the FD dash values. For calculating sigma FD dash, we have to add all these values. So here the signs are minus 8 and minus 8. So first we have to add all these minus 8 and minus 8, we get minus 16. Then 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. So we have to add all these things. Minus 16 plus positive 11 is equal to minus 5. Okay. So sigma FD dash is equal to minus 5. Children, these are the steps to calculate this arithmetic mean through the step deviation method. First, we have to calculate the midpoints by using this formula L1 plus L2 divided by 2. Then select assumed mean A. Here in this example, we have to select 10 as assumed mean. Okay. Then calculate the deviations from the assumed mean. That means M minus A assumed mean, that is equal to D. Divide deviations by the common factor C. D by C and get D dash. Common factor here is 4. C is 4 because the class interval of each class is 4. Then multiply step deviations D dash by frequency, corresponding frequency, and get the product FD dash. Add the product of the step deviations and frequency and get sigma FD dash. We get sigma FD dash. And after getting all these things, or after calculating all these things, we have to use this formula. Which formula? X bar is equal to A plus A assumed mean plus sigma FD dash divided by sigma F into C. So by applying the values, we get X bar is equal to assumed mean 10. Here assumed mean is 10. So 10 plus, then FD dash. What is the value of FD dash? Minus 5. Okay. Then apply minus 5 here and divided by what is sigma F? 20. Sigma F is equal to 20. Okay. So sigma F is equal to 20. Minus 5 divided by 20 into, then class interval C. C is here 4. So 4. Okay. Then 9. Okay. So minus 5 divided by 20 into 4, we get minus 1. So 10 plus minus 1. That means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So mean marks are 9. X bar is equal to 9. Okay. So children, you have to study both methods, direct method and also the step deviation method. Okay. So children,
what is the formula for arithmetic mean? X bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. That is the direct method of calculating arithmetic mean. Then next one, step deviation method. What is the formula for calculating arithmetic mean by using the step deviation method? X bar is equal to A plus sigma FD dash divided by sigma F into C.
Study well the formula for using step deviation method. X bar is equal to A plus A assumed mean plus sigma FD dash divided by sigma F into C. C is class interval. So first we have to make a table with the given data and find out midpoints, find out assumed mean, then find out D, then find out D dash. D dash, after getting D, we have to divide D by C, we get D dash. Then multiply this D dash, each D dash with the frequency. Then add all these things, we get a value and apply all these values in the formula. Okay. So children, study well. How do we calculate this arithmetic mean? By using step deviation method. This is very important. Okay. So children, next one is weighted arithmetic mean. Sometimes it is important to assign weights to various items according to their importance when you calculate arithmetic mean. So what is weighted arithmetic mean? It is the mean of a set of values wherein each value or measurement has a different weight or degree of importance. So what is the formula for calculating weighted arithmetic mean? X bar is equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w. Once more, x bar is equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w, where x bar is equal to the mean, weighted mean. Then x is the measurement or value and w is the number of measurement. Okay. So what is the formula for getting weighted arithmetic mean? X bar is equal to wx sigma wx divided by sigma w. Children, here is an example for you. Calculate weighted mean of the following data. Marks 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Then weight also given 2, 3, 6, 7, 3 and 9. So by using the formula x bar is equal to w sigma w x divided by sigma w, we have to calculate this weighted arithmetic mean. First we have to make a table with the given data. So first we have to write all the marks, all the weights here, and by adding all these weights we get sigma w. 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9, we get 30. So sigma w is equal to 30. Then what about sigma wx? First we have to multiply each marks with the weights. Okay. So 100 multiplied with 2, we will get 200. 200 into 3, 600. 300 into 6, 1800. 400 into 7, 2800. 500 into 3, 1500. 600 into 9, 5400. Okay. Then add all these wx. Okay. All these values. 200 plus 600 plus 1800 plus 2800 plus 1500 plus 5400, we get 12,300. So sigma wx is equal to 12,300. Then this problem is very simple. You have to directly apply all these two values to the formula. So x bar w, that means weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, weighted average or weighted arithmetic mean or weighted mean is equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w. In each and every problem you must write the formulas. Okay, don't forget to write the formulas. Then apply all these values in the formula. So sigma wx 12,300 divided by sigma w 30 divided by 30. Then by calculating we get 410. So what is the weighted mean? 410. Okay. So children, let us conclude today's session. Don't forget to do the problems, these two problems in your notebook. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.